my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Leo, hello. This is going to be a reading for you from 14th October to the 21st of October 2020, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. Alright, the cards I'm using today is the World Spirit Tarot deck, and I'm using the oracle card, which is the Threads of Fate. Please do remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you, your person, the situation you're in, or just vice versa. Kind of energies for cross readers. For somebody who's watching for someone else. But if you're keen on getting a personal reading done from me, please feel free to reach out to me via email. I've mentioned it in the description box below. All right, Leo, what's happening with Leo for the week of 14th to the 21st of October 2020? Alright, Leo, the overall energy for the reading, I have the Six of Wands, which is victory, moving towards betterment, moving towards doing better in whatever you've taken on, like a challenge for yourself. You probably set goals for yourself, Leo, and I think you're moving towards that. And the overall energy looks like you're going to be quite victorious, even if there are difficulties and hurdles along the way. I see you making it up pretty well. Alright. Okay, let's look at your cards now. Okay, in your recent past, the Ten of Swords, the Star, the Seven of Pentacles. So there were a lot of things that did go wrong for you in the past. Some of you may be in relationships, maybe the work front. Some of you changed jobs or were looking at changing jobs. A lot of you were dealing with financial obligations perhaps, and you had so many things that you had to really take care of, and so much of money that needed to probably be spent. You were just organizing your life again, and it was not very easy. You were tired, you were stressed out, you were mentally fatigued, and that's what I see, the Ten of Swords, your complete tiredness. When you reach the point of complete exhaustion mentally, that's what I saw for you in the past. You were quite positive. You knew that you were going through these difficulties because you were actually trying to change. So it's not like you were caught in those difficulties. This was happening to you because you were evolving and you were doing it quite knowingly. So the Star card here tells me that though you were going through all of this, you still had that ray of hope. You knew that you're moving to, you're doing this for the better. So these difficulties are going to be temporary. You kind of probably kept telling yourself that, giving yourself all the assurance, getting help externally, getting the support, and trying to get and achieve, that kind of a feeling, the positivity in you. You kept it alive all through. You did not want any negative, toxic energy in your life in the past, and I think you really worked hard to keep that going for yourself. With the Seven of Pentacles in the past, I feel, Leo, you were also you had options, you had choices to make. You had to give priorities to things because there was so much evolving in your life. Some of you were coming out of a relationship, some of you were probably moving down, you were moving into a new job. So there was so much of adjustment happening for you on the whole. I think some of you did try and prioritize things. For some, maybe you thought you need to achieve, if there were 10 things you wanted to do, you probably kind of zeroed them down in order of their importance in your life. So I think that was what you wanted to do in the past, and that's what I see it was for you in your recent past. When I look at your current energies, Leo, I see the Four of Pentacles, the Sybil of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. somebody who's very sure, very confident about what they're doing. You love your job, you know you're good at it, you know you can do better. So I see with the Four of Pentacles, you have been also very careful about the kind of money you're spending. You've been careful with your finances. You definitely do want to look out for people who matter to you. You probably are the support force. Some of you are supporting your families perhaps, but I feel that you've been very careful with your funds. You've been very wise with the way you've been spending your money, and that's why you're in the strong position currently where you're financially okay. You're not bad, all right? But I also see that with the Six of Pentacles, you do want to help people. You're probably doing this, you've saved this money and reached this comfortable position because you intend to help somebody. Some of you are probably taking care of your family members, sending money home, taking care of your children. So you are in a position, though it constantly worries you, finances do worry you from time to time, I see that you're fine. Your work is going good. Some of you have probably changed jobs, some of you are about to change jobs, some of you are comfortable in your job, and you have been very wise with your economical state of living. You have been managing your finances very well, giving priority to what you want to spend on, and you have been taking care of your family also in the same way. All right. When I see your immediate future, Leo, I see the Seven of Cups, I see the Seven of Wands, and I see the Three of Pentacles. So when I see this for you, Leo, it's very clear that you are still evolving. You haven't really got out of that cycle completely. Yes, things have definitely improved. You have put in all your blood and sweat. You have worked very hard to reach where you are today, whether it comes to decision making, your personal life decisions, your career decisions. It's not been an easy road for you. The last 1 or 2 years have probably been very tough, and because of which I feel you're being very careful with your emotional expenses too. As in, you're scared to probably put it all out there. You're weighing your pros and cons too much, and this is just something I see again as something very temporary, as a process, as a part of your moving to light. Okay, moving to, like they say, there is that light at the end of the tunnel. You are getting closer. The bright is getting the light the light is getting brighter, but you are making the right choices. You're trying to, you do not want to emotionally invest too much in anything and get yourself hurt, because I think when I look at the Ten of Swords now, I think it definitely tells me that in your past and in your current situation, what's really affected you is your emotional losses. So I think you're just being very careful, not getting patronized into anything, getting swept away just just on plain emotions. You want to take your time. You want to absorb the positivity. You want to move into better light, but as a better person also. All right. When I look at the Seven of Wands here, I feel you are in this very defensive mode. You are avoiding, you do not like people asking you too many questions. Very clearly, and you're not open to it, and you won't be for some time. Though I see that your concentration because of that is because of you putting yourself totally in the Three of Pentacles, which is just a lot of work. You've involved yourself. You're probably studying. Some of you are probably wanting to learn something better or getting better at a job. Putting all your energies into what's going to gain you that Seven of Pentacles. You want to be in a position where you have enough to lead a comfortable life. Some of you have had a pretty hard childhood. Maybe some of you were deprived of money. And I see, Leo, that you are probably being very careful, trying to be as wise as possible now when it comes to spending your emotional energies and your financials. Okay, so you're just being a little careful out there, but it's all for the better, because like I said, with the Six of Wands, it's victory. So I think if you're trying to enhance your skill sets at this point in time, picking up something new, learning something, or just developing on what you already know, it's going to help you succeed very well at work. All right, so that's what I see for you, Leo. Moving on to what the universe has to say for you. Let's just see that as well. Leo, Messages for Leo from October 14th to the 21st. Message from the universe for Leos. These are beautiful cards and they so resonate with the rest of the reading. So the universe is telling you that what's really important right now, Leo, is self-love. All right? Self-love is something that you need to kind of completely give importance to, because I feel that you have left yourself out. You haven't been giving yourself priority at all. You were just caught up in worldly pleasures, handling worldly responsibilities. Perhaps your past was full of just earning money and basically the very mechanical kind of a lifestyle, and I think you haven't really focused on yourself. So it's telling you to learn to love yourself, give yourself importance, respect yourself, and get into a good mind space. That's what the universe is asking you to do. The void that you have now in your life, or the things that you're probably missing out on because you're not prioritizing it, they will come to you. All right, so what it's really telling you, the universe, is that self-love and then loving that person who really matters to you. I definitely see that there is something coming in for you, or you probably already know this person, you're already in a relationship with this person, or you're interested in someone. I feel that void that you have between yourself and that finding that true love for yourself, that void will take a while. It's telling you to take time out, try and keep a difference between loving yourself and that person. It's very important that if you love yourself first, this will follow. So that's what the universe is trying to tell you, that it's eventually going to happen to you. It's going to come to you, but first you need to heal, and that void is going to be filled, and you're going to probably meet that person or find that true love or whatever that's lacking in your life right now. All right, so that's what I see for you, Leo. And I now see you in the next. Bye-bye.